You will be amazed by this 2016 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. Whether you're looking for a versatile, connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.